Your house is out of control. Your kitchen is a mess. Your family living spaces are a mess. The laundry is piling up. The baby needs changing, and you feel completely overwhelmed and don't know where to start. I know exactly how you feel because I've been there, but I've learned a few things since then. So let me offer you some practical advice. Take care of the baby first and then make breakfast. Even if you have to push things out of the way for the kids to be able to get to the table, do that. Right now, you're just making breakfast. Once breakfast is taken care of, get your children situated. That's either going to be in front of the TV, on the floor with a pile of toys, or maybe it's going to be out the door to school. Whatever it is, you want to get those children quiet. Then you're going to sit down with a notebook and create a morning routine that works for you. You want to make it simple, you want to make it easy, and you want to make it manageable. But just the things that you absolutely, positively have to get done on a day-to-day basis are going to go on this list. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. So what might those things be? Well, here are the things that most homemakers feel like they must do on a day-to-day basis to keep their homes under control. Thing one is to make your bed. Your bed is the largest item in the room, and if it's messy and cluttered, it makes the whole room feel messy. So make your bed. Thing two is wash the dishes. So that's either going to be load the dishwasher or wash the dishes by hand. And then once you get into the routine of washing the dishes, or shall I say doing the dishes, then you'll be doing the dishes the night before. So in the morning, you'll be unloading the dishwasher, or dishes that you've washed by hand and dried overnight in the drying rack will get put away. Whatever works for you. But get the dishes washed and the kitchen cleaned up so it's ready when you're ready to make your next meal. Thing number three is to start a load of laundry. Doing 1 or 2 loads of laundry every day just helps keep your laundry from piling up, and then you don't feel that sense of overwhelm with hampers overflowing or dirty towels on the floor in the bathrooms and things like that. And keep in mind that the laundry is not done until it's been washed, dried, folded, and put away. So you don't want to wash a load of laundry and then leave it sit in the dryer and leave it sit in the laundry basket. So you're going to wash it, transfer it to the dryer, fold it, and then get things put away, whether they're hung up in a closet or folded and stacked neatly in a drawer. But you want to get that laundry done. Thing 4 is to swish and swipe the bathrooms. The daily swish and swipe includes wiping down the bathroom mirror, wiping out the bathroom sink, and then swishing the toilet bowl. Now I do this every day. I have 3 bathrooms and I swish and swipe each of them, and I'm done with it in less than 15 minutes. And one of the things that I do to help me streamline the process is I have a set of cleaning supplies upstairs and a set of cleaning supplies downstairs so that the things that I need to do my daily swish and swipe is close at hand. Thing 5 is to do what Fly Lady Cat calls a clutter stop. That means you're going to look around your home and you're going to pick up and put away those things that are out of place. And you're only going to take 5 minutes to do that. You're not decluttering. You're just picking things up and putting things that already have a home where they belong. If it's trash, you're going to drop it in the trash can. If it's shoes, bags, books, whatever, you're going to take those things that already have a place to live and put them where they belong. So, homemakers, I am encouraging you to start with this list of essential things. Now, if you have a pet, you might need to add feed the dog, feed the cat as part of your morning routine. But here's the thing. You want to keep the list short. You want to keep the list easy. You want to keep the list simple. And you want to keep the list manageable. Next, you're going to create a checklist in your notebook. And you're going to make it as simple as possible. But all you're going to do is list the 5 or 6 things that you need to do on a daily basis and put a set of check boxes or check bubbles beside them for about 28 days. And then each day you do that task, mark it off. You will be amazed at the sense of accomplishment you will feel by marking things off. And tracking those habits by marking them off just helps you get in the groove, just helps you to get things accomplished. And then also doing it for a 21 to 28 day period helps to make it a habit. You're building that muscle to do these things every day. Now here's one thing that can really set you up for success, and that is to get up at least 45 minutes before your children so that you can get yourself ready for the day and then get to some of those tasks that you have on your list. So if you want to do yoga, you want to do some Bible reading, you want to do whatever it is that you want to do to take care of you, try to get that done before you get your family up. You'll be surprised at how doing these 5 simple things can help you create the comfortable, clean, and cozy home that you desire. Now, homemakers, if you need or want additional coaching or one-on-one mentoring, I have opened up some slots on my Patreon channel. I only opened up a few, but it will allow you one-on-one coaching with me, and there'll be 25-minute coaching sessions once a week for 4 weeks in the month. So, if that's something that you think you'd be interested in, I'll put the link to my Patreon in the description box below. And first off, you want to sign up for the $5 Patreon membership because the people that want to sign up for coaching come from that list. It's just only fair that those who have already signed up first get first dibs. So check me out in the description box below. Let me invite you to sign up for my newsletter, The Homemaker's Journal. It's chock full with tips and tricks and information to help you on your homemaker's journey. It only comes out about once every 6 weeks. Now, if you hate to do laundry, you hate to fold laundry, you can get it folded, but you hate to put it away, then sign up for my Laundry Lab Masterclass. We are kicking it off with a 10-day in the Laundry Lab challenge on National Laundry Day. So you want to sign up so that you can know when it goes live. I'll put the links in the description box so that you can sign up for whichever one trips your trigger. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, watch this video next.